Feeling tired all the time? Struggling with weight that just won't go away, no matter what diet you try? What if I told you the solution could be as simple as a handful of soaked green grams, also known as Moong? Today we're diving into one of the most underrated superfoods in the world and how it can help you fight fatigue, shed pounds, and even improve your gut health naturally. Moong, or mung beans, are small green legumes commonly used in South Asian cuisine. But they're more than just a kitchen ingredient. They're a powerhouse of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. When soaked overnight, mung beans undergo a transformation. Enzymes activate, digestibility improves, nutrients become more bioavailable. Soaking unlocks their full potential, making them easier to absorb and more effective for healing and energizing your body. So what's inside a soaked mung bean? Protein, essential for muscle repair, energy, and weight loss. Fiber, helps you feel full longer and supports digestion. Iron folate, boost red blood cell production and help fight fatigue. Antioxidants, reduce inflammation and cellular damage. Just half a cup of soaked Moong provides over 7 grams of protein, 30% of your daily fiber, and a host of micronutrients. Let's talk fat loss. One of the biggest challenges with weight management is feeling hungry all the time. That's where soaked Moong comes in. Thanks to its fiber and resistant starch, Moong slows down digestion, keeping you fuller for longer. It helps stabilize blood sugar, which means fewer cravings and more sustained energy throughout the day. Plus, its high protein content supports lean muscle mass, crucial for burning calories even while you rest. Do you wake up feeling tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? Iron deficiency is one of the most common causes of fatigue, and Moong is packed with it. The folate and magnesium in Moong beans support muscle recovery and nerve function. Athletes in traditional systems have used it for centuries to boost stamina. Whether you're recovering from illness or just feel worn out by life, a daily dose of soaked Moong can help recharge your system naturally. Here's how to prepare it. Step 1. Take half a cup of dry green Moong beans. Step 2. Rinse well and soak them in clean water overnight, around 8–10 hours. Step 3. In the morning, drain the water. You can now eat them raw, toss them in a salad, or lightly steam with herbs and lemon. Thousands of people have added soaked Moong to their diet and seen real change. Monica from Texas lost 12 pounds in 6 weeks without giving up her favorite foods. David, a runner in New York, said his energy levels are through the roof after just 2 weeks. It's not magic, it's nutrition science, rooted in tradition. And that's not all. Soaked Moong beans also improve gut health by supporting good bacteria, help detox the liver with their rich chlorophyll content, strengthen the immune system thanks to zinc and potassium, support clear skin due to their anti-inflammatory properties. It's a whole body reset from just one simple habit. Still skeptical? Try it for 7 days. Just a small bowl of soaked Moong every morning. No side effects, no chemicals, just clean, natural fuel for your body and mind. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to where we blend ancient wisdom with modern living.